Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing for you all two products that I recently came across and which is very affordable. It's our very own Indian skincare, so they are made in India, so that's why I picked it up. The products that I got is from the brand The Body Avenue. I got it from Amazon and I've picked one retinol serum from them and I've also picked one under eye cream. So if you are someone who loves skincare like me and also affordable skincare, and if you are someone who loves to try new skincare products, you want to add it into your skincare routine, this video is for you all. And I've talked in detail about this product, and if you are interested in watching this review, watch the video till the end. Before starting the review, let me quickly tell you about this brand, which is The Body Avenue. So this is an Indian based brand, which means it is made in India, which is great. And during this time, I think we should wholeheartedly support Indian based brand. More about this brand, I really love the ingredients that they use. They use a lot of natural ingredients and it is also paraben free, sulfate free, cruelty free and vegan. What else you want? It has all good stuff in it, and they have a huge variety of skincare and hair care, you name it and they have it. You can buy Body Avenue products over Amazon and they are pretty affordable. So the first product that I'll be reviewing is this retinol serum. If you follow me from quite some time now, you know that I love skincare and I love my vitamin C serum a lot. I've been using vitamin C serum over 3 to 4 years now, and I really wanted to try retinol. I wanted to add this to my skincare routine, so I picked it up. And before talking more about the product, its packaging, price and everything in detail, let me tell you all what is retinol so that we both are at the same page and you have a better understanding of the product. So retinol is a vitamin A derivative which helps you to get rid of acne, it helps you to even out your skin tone, it helps you to get rid of or prevent wrinkles and fine lines, it also stimulates collagen and it also has anti-aging properties. So retinol serum is basically a magic in a little bottle which helps you to get younger, brighter and clearer skin, which we always dream for. This is how the outer packaging of the product looks like. It says retinol serum enriched with glutathione and hyaluronic acid, younger, brighter and clearer skin. It is for all skin types and it contains 30 ml of product, which is really nice. And at the side it has mentioned all the ingredients. I will be talking about the ingredients in detail. And then it mentions how to use it. So you need to clean your face with a face wash and then take few drops of the serum and pat it on your skin and massage it really well till it gets absorbed. So that's it. And the other side, it has mentioned again the ingredients and also the price. It retails for $12.99, which is approximately 1300 rupees, but I got it for 500 rupees over Amazon, and I will be dropping a link right in my description box down below so you can check it out. And what else? It mentions that it's made in India, which is great, and it is sulfate free, vegan and cruelty free. Talking about the actual product, this is how the product looks like. It is a glass bottle and comes with a dropper. Whatever the outer packaging says, it is also mentioned in the inner packaging of the product all throughout the bottle. And like I mentioned, it comes with a dropper like this. The dropper is pretty fine, unlike a lot of other serums. This is how the product looks like. Now let's quickly see what the texture of this serum is. I'll put few drops of the serum onto my hand like this, and then we'll show you how it blends. So like you can see, the texture of this is really very thick, unlike other serums which is very watery, and it blends very quickly. If you start blending it, it blends really very quickly onto your skin and it smells amazing. I really feel that it has a very calming and very soothing fragrance to it. I think people who don't like fragrances to their product, they will also like it because it's very calming. Like you can see, after 3-4 rubs, the serum is completely absorbed onto my skin. It doesn't feel sticky at all and it blends very easily, absorbs very quickly into your skin. Serum has a lot of ingredients, and to name a few, it has aloe vera extract, green tea extract, vitamin A, rosehip oil, glutathione and also hyaluronic acid, to name a few. I will be talking about glutathione and hyaluronic acid in detail because these two products, first of all, it's mentioned on the packaging bold enough. So these two products are so talked about and so hyped. Like you can see a lot of videos all over the internet. So I'll quickly talk about these two products so that you guys have a better understanding about what these two ingredients do and why they are so hyped. The very first product is glutathione. Now glutathione is so hyped, you all must be aware of why glutathione is so talked about. So basically it is being promoted as a product that will get you a lighter and a whiter skin tone, which I think is completely bullshit. I don't appreciate and I don't support the cause or the product or anyone talking about getting lighter and whiter skin tone. We live in 2020 and I think this generation should definitely speak up. I believe everyone should embrace their own skin tone. There's nothing wrong in being dark or dusky, and there's nothing great about having a fair skin. Skin tone doesn't define a person, and I think you should also stop thinking about your skin tone. There's nothing wrong with whatever skin tone you have. Start embracing it and be happy in your own skin tone. Glutathione basically helps in converting the melanin in your skin to a lighter color, the quantity of which defines your skin tone, lighter or darker, which further helps you to get rid of any discoloration, pigmentation on your skin. Like we have discoloration around the mouth, I have like darkness around my eyes, or if you have acne spots, or if you have any kind of discoloration or pigmentation on your face, it helps you to reduce it, which further helps you to get an even skin tone and a brighter skin tone, and not lighter or whiter skin. The next product is hyaluronic acid. Now hyaluronic acid helps you to retain moisture into your skin, which keeps your skin soft, supple, plump and hydrated, and it also helps you to get rid of fine lines, wrinkles. It has antioxidant and it also acts as an anti-aging product. Now a lot of you must be wondering when you need to apply this product and how you need to apply it. So I'll tell you when you need to apply this product. So once you're done with cleansing your face with a face wash, apply a toner, and once your toner part is done, then apply this serum. Now a lot of people confuse serum with a moisturizer. These two are completely different things. You need to apply serum before your moisturizer. So cleansing, toning, then the serum, and then the moisturizer, and if you're applying it in daytime, followed by a sunscreen. Now I'll quickly show you how to apply the serum. So this retinol serum will help you to get a clearer, brighter and a younger skin, and you can see results after continuous usage. I would advise you to use it daily obviously, and after 20 to 25 days you'll start seeing its results. Moving on to the second product, I have this under eye cream with me, and this is how the outer packaging looks like. It says the Body Avenue Intensive Under Eye Cream Gel. It is enriched with natural ingredients and it comes in 30 grams of packaging, which is really good. It is a pretty decent cardboard packaging, and on the back side it has mentioned a lot of ingredients. Like it says, it has all natural ingredients. So to name a few, it has aloe vera gel, green tea extract, green apple extract, cucumber extract, rosehip oil, glycerin, vitamin E, and a whole lot of other ingredients right here. It retails for 700 rupees and I got it for 350 rupees over Amazon. Link will be in the description box down below. And again, it is natural and pure oils, no sulfate, no animal testing, and no paraben. So yeah, this is how the outer packaging looks like. Now I'll quickly talk about the actual product. This is how the product looks like. It comes in this glass tub and it has a golden lid, so it gives a very nice and luxurious feel to it. Once you open it, it comes with a lid like this. You need to take it off and then you have the actual product. Talking about the texture of this product, it is a gel plus cream, like it is a mixture of gel and cream. So I'll take some on my hand like this. Like you can see, it's very thick, and it is not completely gel and nor it's like a cream, though it looks white, but it is a mix of both. And once you start blending it, it blends beautifully and it is very moisturizing and blends like a dream. Let me tell you all when and how to use this product. Once you clean your face with a face wash and you have done the other step like toning and everything, you need to apply it under your eyes, and I would advise you to use this finger, which is a ring finger, because it has the least pressure and you can nicely dab it onto your skin and then massage it. So This is how you need to apply it. I will also be showing you all the demo, and when you need to apply it, I would advise you to apply it twice a day in your morning and skincare routine. But if you are super lazy, and I would highly recommend you to try at least once and apply it during your night skincare routine. Since this under eye cream is made up with a lot of natural ingredients, it helps you to keep the under eye region very nourished and hydrated. And also the texture of this is non-greasy. It absorbs into your skin really well, leaving your skin super soft and supple. Let me quickly tell you all what are the benefits of under eye cream in general, and especially this product. So this product will help you to reduce your dark circles, it will work on your fine lines, it will help you to get rid of wrinkles, and also it will work on your puffiness. That's all for this video. I hope you really enjoyed watching this review, and if you did, give this video a thumbs up. Do let me know in the comment section down below if you have used any of these products, be it retinol serum or this under eye cream. Let me know what is your thought on that, and I shall see you all with my next video. Till then, take care guys. Thanks for watching. Mwah.